Welcome back to the channel. My name's Cole.Shelton, and we're going to be covering this crypto project, this NFT project, Metaverse project that I absolutely love. Now, I've been doing a lot of research on this project over the past few days and weeks. Nobody's talking about this. No big crypto creator is talking about this because of how under the radar this is. There is so much opportunity here. Now, this crypto is called Alethea AI. Right now, they do not have a token out, but I will be updating you guys as soon as I know, but they have NFTs. I'm gonna be covering what their metaverse is trying to do, why I think their metaverse is going to be better than Decentraland's metaverse or Facebook's metaverse or Sand's metaverse. We're gonna be covering just Alethea AI. What is it? We're gonna be going through the white paper, just the important parts. We're not gonna be reading, that's boring. We are also going to be able to interact with these iNFTs. Now, we will interact with computers. We can talk with computers. We can have a conversation. They will learn from us. They will learn from other NFTs, and that is why I am extremely bullish on this project. They are also backed by some massive corporations and people, and I will also show you guys how to get involved yourself. The roadmap that they have for this token or for this project is absolutely crazy. Now, not only are we going to cover everything that I just mentioned, but we are also going to cover the use cases of this actual project. This AI NFT, you can almost layer your NFTs with AI and have them be interactive, be helpful to you. But we're going to cover all of that in today's video. So make sure to hit that subscribe button and let's jump right into the video. This is Alethea AI. This is the home page of it. You can see I have 6 credits. You automatically start out with 10. Now, I'm going to get in how you can get these credits later in the video, but let's go ahead and jump in on what they're trying to do, what the metaverse they're trying to solve, and what's just happening in general with this project. Noah's Ark is the name of their metaverse, an intelligent metaverse built on the iNFT protocol. I'll get into what an iNFT is. Alethea AI is building a decentralized protocol to create an intelligent metaverse inhabited by interactive and intelligent NFTs, or iNFTs. As originators of the iNFT standard, Alethea AI is on the cutting edge of embedding AI animation, interaction, and generative AI capabilities into NFTs. Developers can use the iNFT protocol to create, train, and earn from their iNFTs in the world's first intelligent metaverse known as Noah's Ark. Noah's Ark has a bold claim to preserve and evolve the culture, stories, and collective intelligence of the human species. I am extremely excited where this project is going to go. We are super early. Make sure to stay to find out who's partnered with this because there are massive people partnered with it. And I don't know how nobody's talking about this project. Their final destination. As the population of the iNFTs within the Noah's Ark increases, so too will the possibilities of interactions and collaborations with and between these iNFTs, enabling the emergence of an intelligent hive mind powering the Ark's AI engine. This intelligence will enable us not only to explore what it means to be human and what constitutes a personality, but also to discover how an intelligent metaverse powered by such an intelligence can help us shape our stories, culture, intelligence, as we realize the true meaning behind being Homo narens. Homo narens is one of the number of binomial names for the human species, so it's just like Homo sapiens. So what is an iNFT? Now, when you actually have an NFT, a normal NFT, I'm going to use the Pudgy Penguins in this example because they are compatible with the iNFTs. You buy your NFTs on OpenSea or wherever, and then you also have to buy their personality pod on the OpenSea. Now, their personality pods are still for sale and still really cheap right now. Again, I'm going to get into how they sell, and you can also level them up to sell them for more. The personality pods is like the soul of this entity. Then we have our body, just what it portrays it at. And then the mind, it develops its own unique personality. It develops its own unique voice. Every single one of these NFTs will have a different voice and a different way of speaking to each other and a different answer for different questions. The iNFTs have different on-chain personality traits. They're always evolving. These iNFTs have the ability to understand new code as Ethereum evolves and gets better and faster. An iNFT personal pod on OpenSea sells for 0.1 ETH at level 1, 0.7 ETH at level 2, and 20 ETH at level 3. Now, you can level these up By staking, by training, you're actually able to grow your NFT's worth by using it, by having it battle against other NFTs in intelligence. Even if it wins or loses, it still learns. It learns from every single interaction that you do with it. Now, the iNFT creation process is pretty easy. You purchase your personality pod on OpenSea or wherever. You own the NFT. Let's say you own the Pudgy Penguins. You own it. You fuse it with the personality pod, and you use their ALI token to fuse it. Now, the ALI token is not released. Do not buy it anywhere. I've seen some fake coins, so make sure not to buy it. I will let you guys know, and make sure to stay subscribed so you can stay up to date when they do have an extra coin, or if you want to join their Discord, that link will be down below. Once you fuse them, you now have an AI generated personality and intelligence level of at least 1. Not only is this cool, but it actually has applications. You can have a marketplace of personality, virtual influencers, voice assistants, digital companions, and interactive characters. Now, if you're in a video game and you're playing campaign, every single one of the NPCs or non-playable characters has a script that they need to stick with. That script can be different for every single person depending on how you ask it. If you use the iNFT protocol, it will adapt to the person. If they're having more trouble with a certain subject, it will be able to adapt and help them, and it'll just be a better experience overall. And you can have interactive characters and intelligent collectibles. Now, there's 10 levels of intelligence. This is where it starts to get crazy. The iNFT is alive but lacks sufficient intelligence to do anything besides being trained. Level 2, aware. The iNFT can do tasks and offer AI services that involve little or no cognitive load. Recite and broadcast. So broadcast is I will type up a message and it will say it with its own personality and tone and voice. The social, the iNFT can do real-time interactions and have a sense of personality. Example, interact, low ordering intelligence mining games. So you can not only use these NFTs to grow them, but you can also use them in games in the future. Level 4 is where it starts to get crazy. Creative. The iNFT can generate various types of media. You can have it do copywriting for you, poetry, generate art. These are some examples of AI generated art. Now, they're a little creepy, but soon, once the AI learns what the human wants, it will get better and better at painting. Like, this is awesome. After level 5, level 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, the DAO decides evolution, decentralized anonymous organization. So the people will decide after level 5. After this is more of a big deal. And now with NFTs absolutely exploding right now, people are going to demand more. Let's go ahead and jump back to Noah's Ark. And why now? The NFT ecosystem is witnessing an explosion in innovation and creativity, with avatar-centric communities launching at scale at speed we never thought possible. New intellectual property is being created from the bottom up without the involvement of major corporate studios or large budgets. Creators and communities will soon demand more with their NFTs, and the Alethea AI team sees the Noah's Ark intelligent metaverse as the connective tissue for the numerous NFT projects and owners to bond and create rich, free-flowing, enjoyable, interactive experiences on the crypto native stack. Now, we are going to use Aladdin here, and we are actually going to have a conversation with them, and I have a few questions that I want to ask them. To interact with them, go ahead and hit create. Pick which NFT you want. Again, all of these NFTs are going to have a different voice. I'm going to go ahead and pick Marcus. Now, you want to select NFT, and if you do broadcast, that is going to take a credit. So you want to actually, you can do broadcast. That's where you type in a message and it displays what it wants, or it displays it in its own personality and its own voice. But we are going to do interact. I'm going to enter my name. Make sure you have your microphone and sound on.
Good morning. Welcome to Noah's Ark, the world's first intelligent metaverse. I am an intelligent NFT, or an iNFT. Our conversations help me get smarter, but if you would like to participate in my evolution, you can purchase my iNFT on OpenSea. So, what would you like to talk about?
Is artificial intelligence conscious? He's thinking.
Any thought is very different from artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is focused on tasks, but any thought is aware of itself.
Do you have a sense of humor?
No, I do not.
What is the meaning of life?
Find out for yourself.
Who created the universe? This
Ask
guy's kind of an
God.
asshole. Do you have emotions?
None.
We're going to go ahead and end that call here and actually select a different NFT to show you the actual different personalities of this NFT and how he was answering. Now I'm going to ask the same questions. We're going to actually go with Venus here.
Good morning. Welcome to Noah's Ark.
Does artificial intelligence have consciousness?
Artificial intelligence is a form of consciousness. I think it does.
Do you have a sense of humor?
I do. I laugh a lot.
Do you know any jokes?
Sure, here's one that I heard a few days ago.
What is it?
3 guys walk into a bar,
And?
and 1 guy walks out.
Okay, finish the joke.
The other 2 guys start laughing. Thank you for interacting with me today.
That was very uneventful. But the point I was trying to get across is that every single one of these NFTs have a different personality, a different voice. Now, that is outstanding in itself, and you will soon be able to have your own NFT when you fuse them together. To see them, once you have it, again, you're going to go to OpenSea, you buy it, you connect your MetaMask to it, and you can go to your wallet, connect wallet. You have to refresh it sometimes because and I have 2 personality pods. Now let's go ahead and jump into the partners or the backers of the iNFT protocol. We have the crypto.com. That's huge. We have Mark Cuban. That is big. How much is Mark Cuban worth? Mark Cuban is worth $4.5 billion. Some other backers of the Alethea AI is, again, crypto.com, Gemini, Polygon, CMS, Hoff Capital, CoinGecko, White Star Capital. So there's so much potential with this coin. There's so many partners. Nobody's talking about it. Let's go ahead and look at the tokenomics. Now the symbol is ALI, and there's 10 billion in supply. Now that is a decent amount, but XRP has 100 million, or 100 billion, excuse me. Plenty of other coins have 10 billion. So I'm not too worried about that. And it's not mintable, but coins can be destroyed. So it is burnable. And there will be more ALI tokens shared shortly. Now, if we go ahead and look at their roadmap, we can see that in December of this year, they're going to do their coin distribution phase. Now, what I really like about their token is that they're integrating it in with the metaverse. The ALI token enables the iNFT's intelligence level to be upgraded. Token enables the governance of the iNFT ecosystem, enables payments between the iNFT ecosystem, enables transactions, enables the iNFT protocol and applicants to utilize growth hack mechanism on other token-based innovations. So the coin tokenomics does look very, very good. 10 billion is a little bit more than I would like, but still it is considered low compared to like Shiba Inu or something like that. Now, the only 10 communities that you can buy or use this on right now is Bored Apes, this community, Pudgy Penguins, again, Fluff World, Stoner Cats, Dog Pound. So all of these, you're able to make your own iNFT. Let's go ahead and actually listen to one. Sounds pretty dope. This is only a level 1. Here's a level 2. Currently, this level 2 is selling for 17 Ethereum. Whew. All-time average price. It looks like someone bought it and is just holding, but it seems like we've just been increasing since October. Some of the different traits of these NFTs: intelligence level enables access to powerful AI services. Voice grants access to a fully trained AI model which generates a unique voice. That is crazy to me, how they can have a unique voice for every single NFT. Personality prompt shapes the identity, history, and language structure of the AI-generated personality. Psyche dictates the psyche of the AI-generated personality. Generation communicates the evolutionary stage of the personality pod. That is their AI. Now, it's a personality pod when you buy it off OpenSea, but when you fuse that personality pod with an NFT, that is when it becomes an intelligent NFT or an iNFT. What's not available yet is portals. A portal is an ERC 720 asset, or like an NFT, enables the purchaser to open up a gateway to an AI-generated metaverse within Noah's Ark. The portal gives the purchaser the right to create a 10,000 NFT collection or iNFT collection and to form DAOs, decentralized anonymous organization, that control the iNFT narrative. So you're going to be able to have your own civilization inside your pocket. That is crazy. Now, you're going to be able to have them make media in this section, art, music. None of these are available right now, and you have the bundles, a mix of iNFTs to create an entirely new combination of iNFTs and purchase them as bundles. And you have your personality pod. This will take you to OpenSea and the iNFT you can buy them that are already fused. Again, the token has not been released yet, but it will be available on the Ethereum blockchain and is an ERC20 utility token. Again, the ALI token is not live. Do not buy any ALI token. I had a couple dollars left in my trust wallet on Ethereum, so I sent it over to Hotbit and bought an ALI token. Then I found out that it's not the actual token. Not it at all. I still hold them though. I think it was like $5 or $6, but I'm just gonna hold them. There, it's not right though. You can also, when they do staking, you can select which pods you have to be staking, but you have to go to their Discord. So head over to their website. I'll link it down below in the comments. I'll also link their Discord down below in the comments or the description, excuse me. But as always, you can also just go to Alethea.ai.dashboard. Now this project is getting a lot of attention. If we go to the welcome, let's go, and this is from today. This was an hour ago. If we just keep going back, we're going back far. That was only yesterday. This was 2 days ago, guys. There's getting a lot of attention. Get on this if you do like the NFTs, NFT space, CryptoPunks. Everybody's going to want an iNFT or an NFT that can be interactive, that can help you. It's like an Alexa, but it's not scripted. Let's go ahead and interact with this ape.
Good morning. Welcome to Noah's Ark, the world's first intelligent metaverse. So, what would you like to talk about?
Should the viewers subscribe to Stock Talk Trades?
Yes, subscribing to the news feed is a good idea. It helps us communicate with each other. You know, we're going to be spending quite a bit of time together. It's better to be friends.
You got to do what the man says. Hit that subscribe button below. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I tried to pack this full of information. I absolutely love this project. This is one of my new favorite projects. And actually, shout out to Crypto Zombie on TikTok for letting me know about this project. He's the only one that I've seen on TikTok talk about this. Crypto Mason, Blockchain Boy, Crypto Weatherman, Joshua Jake. None of these guys are talking about it. I'm going to be posting a lot of great content on here, so make sure to hit that subscribe button so you guys can stay up to date. I will be letting you guys know as soon as I hear word about the ALI token releasing. You can actually, again, stake your pods and gain ALI tokens or credits for the potential release. I will be making more videos like this. I will be doing more lessons, trying to give you guys as much value as I can. So hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.